But what you can use for all these 60 designs, you can use them as a swipe file to make new designs around those niches. And then that will help you save a ton of time when you're designing your own graphics, because I'm going to be giving you full private label rights to these graphics. Basically, you can do anything you want with these graphics. You can even sell them if you want. It doesn't matter to me. But I highly recommend taking these graphics, change them up a little bit, and apply them to your own designs. And like I said, this will help you save a lot of time coming up with new design ideas. Let me just quickly show you some of the stuff you're going to get here. As you can see here on the left hand side, all of these are the folders, are all included in this package. So I'll just go through some of them here, and I'll show you some examples of some shirts that I never put up or I may have tried. But I have a whole bunch in here that you could use, and you can use these as templates, and you get the full source Photoshop files. So that's really good. I got a whole bunch here in NHL, even Big Bang Theory, Breaking Bad. These are a couple that I never did list on Facebook or on Teespring. A whole bunch of NFL Broncos, all the designs I did here, a whole bunch of them. And there's ones like this for like, dentist, all these different icons. They're all separate icons. You'll get all those as well. Engineering one, Irish one, Labrador, the Miami Heat. Whole bunch of nurse shirts. Like some of these designs here for the nurse stuff, these individual icons, I placed them in there myself. This one design took me something like 8 hours to do. So this is some really good stuff here. It probably cost you like, $100 or $200 just for the single design to get someone to do this. So there's a whole bunch of different designs here that you can use. There's even some with the Olympics here. Obviously there's no Olympics going on right now, but what you want to do is you can utilize these files in your own templates. So anyways, I have a whole bunch here that you can grab for a really low cost. If you add it all up, there's actually 62 designs in here. And if you're going to pay someone, say like $15 per design, because some of these designs, like the one you're looking at right here, this isn't something you can just sort of whip up in like 5 minutes, right? And you go buy something from Fiverr. Usually the quality of graphics from Fiverr isn't that good. So let's say about $15 per shirt. So if you take 15 times 62, that's $930. So you can comfortably say this is worth at least 500 bucks. So this is a really good package to grab, and it will basically give you a huge advantage by getting these individual little pieces that you can use inside of Photoshop.